Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market on the third video today. On the Bitcoin market this week we're talking mostly about this ABCD action on the daily chart. This also could be seen on the 4-hour time frame charts, and it just represents some deeper retracement on the daily after initial sell-off that we've got. That was really strong action, and that has really significant importance for the market. Currently, as market shows really gradual action, there's a lot of overlapping candles, range of the candles very small. It mostly has the features of the retracement, so we don't have any signs of the thrust, something of that sort. The minor retracement, acceleration. That is mostly tells that this is just a pullback after the sell-off. And we said as soon as this retracement will be over, that will be chance to go short, as we will get regardless steeple to sell patient here. And the bearish scenario will be still valid because market stands below this top and that top and actually keeps the lower top section. Only if market will break it area to the upside, it will change the situation on the daily. Until this will happen, its overall context remains bearish. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that the target that we have specified around 40.85 has not been hit totally. So sell-off that we see here has followed a bit earlier, and that's not just the XOP of this. You can see our ABC bottom patients XOP. We have also larger AB equals CD patient that actually represents the daily patient. It also has not been completed just for a few bucks here. So the top was approximately 40.56. So our 40.85, 30 bucks approximately has not been hit. Market sell shows the sell-off. Currently, we can't rely, guys, on the butterfly anymore because you can see that these lows stands below this point out of the initial XA swing, and that butterfly is not valid anymore. Here, market was not able to complete the 127 butterfly, although we initially suggest it will be 618. So that, by this reason, we erase this butterfly since this is not the pattern that we will follow anymore. Usually I do not like, guys, when the market turns down before they hitting major target. It very often leads to the tricky action. Market a bit later returns that back up, hitting the target, and after that starting the major action. Currently it's difficult to say on the Bitcoin whether this market is tricky enough with this subject, but I do know that the coal market likes to show this action. But sometimes it happens when the reversal just happens earlier. Market has not sufficient power to complete the targets and turn down. If this happens and market doesn't return back to the targets, it just shows that market is really weak. And we will see what will happen next. How we could act in the current circumstances. For that purpose, we could use the hourly chart. In hourly chart, we have two potential patterns that could be formed. First of all, this butterfly, the hand shoulders, guys, that we could follow. Here, market has formed this bearish reversal swing because you can see that the lows of this swing stands below under the lows of the last upward swing, and this is reversal swing. Sell-off here was really strong. You can see very strong candle just within the hour. Market just collapsed. That leads us to conclusions. First of all, retracement here probably will be two-leg and it will be deep. It means that market should hit at least the 618 fib level around 40 even, but it is not excluded that market could proceed slightly higher because here, guys, we have a kind of the 127 hand shoulders, and keeping the symmetry, market could show the deeper retracement. That will give us regardless steeple to sell pattern, sell off, ABCD retracement, and potential opportunity to go short. Yes, market will be relatively clear to the 4085 area, final destination. Here, if you have enough money on your account, you could try to reduce the position a bit and place stops above the 4-hour targets. That will be absolutely more safe opportunity to go short. Or you need to clear continuation, wait for a clear downside continuation. So when the market will form the right top, complete this kind of the guarded triple to sell, so better it will be to run probably in this manner. So it will be more correct in the current situation. Something of that sort should happen. Well, when market will start dropping down, in this case you probably could find another opportunity to go short. But if you have the idea of taking the short position at the top of the right arm, right shoulder, it would be better to place stop above the target on the 4-hour time frame charts, above the 49 area. Just because market could erase the hand shoulders, complete the targets, but the bearish setup will be valid. And market could turn down right at the 49 as we have suggested initially. So situation, as you can see, a bit confusing, but this is just every time we have to pass through it for this discussion when you have the tricky situation, when you have this combination of the uncompleted targets and the potential bearish reversal patterns that is forming on the hourly chart. But anyway, that is the two moments that we will keep an eye on the Bitcoin within the few sessions. So completion of the deep retracement first, and opportunity to go short right with this possible head and shoulders pattern. So if you will see that market will show a fast acceleration here, this kind of action, and breaking through this area, don't be short, because market really could move into 85, 49, the target that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. So let's see how situation will turn on Bitcoin as well.